Welcome to this, brought you here today for this Ultimate Beginner Series. Watches my videos, So, with that being said, my hope for this series, by the time, at any rate, in spite of all of my frustrations, a painter that I watch online that I really enjoy the reason I think, next question. Going back to the question of what if I'm not artistic?
I don't think that question was ever asked. I don't think that's gonna be cut. So what if you're not So what if you think you're not artistic? Instead of going back to the question of what if you're not artistic? Because
okay, I got you. So without further ado, I've got all these paintbrushes over here.
keep rolling.
Actually, let's restart.
Good.
This brush beater box here, where start that again. I've deliberately we'll need thinner. You're going to need that soaked in thinner, looks like this, and it is perfect for making these very fine lines on a painting. So those are the 5 paintings that we must have. So if we have all those things, our next obstacle that we must encounter, or that what I have here in the workshop is a lot, and it's because I've been working on assembling this since 2016. I clean brushes in it, like so. Smack. That's an edit. I put the brush in.
I'm sorry, can we redo that one more time? That's on me, camera shook bad. So one more time.
You ready?
Yeah.
Detail work.
Okay. I'm sorry, can we please redo the whole movable table?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't follow properly. Go.
I've got this trash. These are all things that I've collected over the years since 2016.
I'm sorry, we have to redo the fancy palettes because I actually can't see that with the camera.
Don't worry about it. That's the shirt. That's because these are shirts. These are shirts.
Where do we start? Actually, I'm sorry. So this is still rolling, but for all intents and purposes, we're gonna cut all this out. We've done all of this, right? We've done these mountains.